The Sony ZV-E10 is a great, lightweight vlogging camera with a fully articulating screen and impressive video quality at up to 4 Kelvin resolution. Its size makes it a great option for anyone looking for a grab-and-shoot camera, and Sony offers a host of compact lenses to help you really get the most out of it. The Sony ZV-E10 is good for travel photography. It offers excellent image quality out of the box, with very little noise or softness even at higher ISO levels, which is good if you're shooting in darker environments. ZV-E10 Design. The ZV-E10 is an interchangeable lens vlog camera designed for creative vloggers who aspire to an artistic look with ease. Stay with us to know more about the ZV-E10. The LOG camera. Sony ZV-E10 24. 2MP 4K touchscreen vlogging digital camera with 16 to 50 mm length. The Sony ZV-E10 is designed to capture amazing videos of you and your world. Movie button. Press the movie button to start recording. The Start/Stop movie recording function is assigned to the movie button in the default setting. You can start movie recording from the still image shooting mode by pressing the movie button. Bright recording lamp. The recording lamp lights up during recording. Off. The recording lamp does not light up during recording. Red frame when recording. Displays a red frame to indicate that recording is in progress. Off. Does not display a frame to indicate that recording is in progress. Hint: vari-angle LCD screen. Grip design, along with the vari-angle LCD, also suits working from front-facing angles, such as when vlogging or taking selfies. Zoom lever. The ZV-E10 is an interchangeable lens vlog camera designed for creative vloggers who, with these controls you can start and stop recording, handle zoom, clear image zoom. Even if the zoom range exceeds the optical zoom, the camera magnifies images using an image process with less deterioration. Select this setting to use clear image zoom. Compact size. 1x NPFW 50 rechargeable lithium-ion, 7.2 VDC, 1080 mAh props, 440 shots. Color options. Sony ZV-E10 has arrived in 2 color options, black, white, and silver. It is available in 2 colors, silver and black. Image quality. The Sony ZV-E10 is very good for landscape photography. Its APS-C sensor offers a solid amount of dynamic range to bring out shadow and highlight detail in high contrast scenes. Large image sensor. The ZV-E10's large format image sensor is designed to maximize light collection, producing 4 Kelvin movies with high quality images with less noise even when you're high quality 6 Kelvin 4K video. The Sony ZV-E10 is a great, lightweight vlogging camera with a fully articulating screen and impressive video quality at up to 6 to 4 Kelvin resolution, even in low light situation. The Sony ZV-E10 is good for studio video. Video quality is good in more controlled lighting conditions, though it struggles a bit in low light. Blurry background with large sensor. Press the button repeatedly. Once you press the button, the mode is activated and the background becomes defocused. Lens. The ZV-E10 is an interchangeable lens vlog camera designed for creative vloggers who aspire to an artistic look with ease. Explore more about the ZV-E10. Ultra-wide lens. With a wide-angle lens, it's easy to capture dynamic footage, spotlighting both you and your location when you're taking selfies. Telephoto lens. The ZV-E10 is an interchangeable lens vlog camera designed for creative vloggers. With a telephoto lens, you can shoot far-off objects, scenery, or action. Prime lens. Photographers who want the best optical quality and prefer a shallower depth of field in their images and footage. Popular prime lens focal lengths are 35mm, 50mm, and 85mm. Macro lens. You to focus extremely close to a subject so that it appears large in the viewfinder. More unique expression. A unique lineup of lenses, and explore your powers of self-expression. Motion. Sony ZV-E10 setup instructions for stop motion animation or time-lapse dragon frame. Slow motion. Press the still, movie, S and Q button to select the slow motion, quick motion recording mode. Each time you press the button, the shooting mode switches in fast and precise autofocus. Without any settings, the ZV-E10 can automatically track your face and eyes to keep a steady focus without wandering off onto other subjects. This function enables focusing on a subject quickly or smoothly. Real-time IAF. Real-time IAF makes it possible to shoot like a professional photographer, with perfect focus on the eye in the split second. Real-time tracking. When you do want to shift focus, just touch the LCD monitor and the camera will track the subject you choose with AI-enabled 6 real-time tracking 7. Product showcase setting. The camera tends to focus on objects that are closer to it. Press the button to switch the function on or off. AF transition speed. AF transition speed. You can set the transition speed of the focus when the target of auto-focusing changes while shooting a movie. Natural skin tones. Without any special settings, the ZV-E10 will capture your skin tone with a natural look. There's also a soft skin effect to smooth your skin's appearance. Directional 3-capsule mic. The internal directional 3-capsule mic is optimized to capture sound from in front of the camera, recording your voice clearly even when you're in a crowd. The camera offers excellent customization and handles fairly well as a video-making tool. The onboard microphone offers pleasantly good audio. The ECMW2BT is an ideal wireless mic for content creation and vlog, suitable for ZV-E10 series, providing high-quality audio with ease. Is a hand grip that allows you to shoot while operating the camera with the wireless remote control. The grip has been carefully designed to provide optimum stability and comfort, whether attached to a compact or mirrorless interchangeable lens camera.